Whakalo Fatumako, and welcome back. I'm here with Netball. Steph.
Ready to go, ready, pumped up, had our warm up. Already done an hour walk around. Hopefully the legs can keep going, but anyway, lucky we've got to help us play. Yeah, done a warm up.
Oh yeah.
Let's see how we go. Wish us luck. Woohoo!
Yeah, see, that's the enthusiasm we have here. It's good, it's good. We've got another star player, but she doesn't want to be on the channel. That's Jane. Yeah, COVID restrictions are coming down, and yep, so I got my socks and Crocs. Just gonna put it in sports mode. That means we mean business. Oh, here's the man himself.
Hope you've had a good week. Come down for another game of netball. So, how are you?
Oh, I'm good. Just came for some cardio. Yeah, you're looking a bit brown after your holiday.
Got a haircut from shout out to Jordan Barber at Mal's Barber in Glen Innes. He's got a home service. He comes around and he does fades and lines everything up. Shout out Jordan.
Sweet. We'll see you at the end of the game. Oh well, we lost. All good. Man, I'm sweating. Good game. Breathless, speechless. Here's the team.
Secret move, flash. You got a busy week?
One never knows.
Maria, too tired.
So that was a good lesson tonight, to be humble. So I did it on the power round. I went for a outside shot, yeah. And now we need a hoop. But I should have stuck to basics, so I can at least get some points for 10. But that's alright, it was a good game. And very good for the body. So whakawelahi, good night. It's stuck already.
Whakaoe.
Hey, whakawelahi, just finished our netball game. And we didn't get the win.
Why is that?
Just unfit, and the better team won.
Okay.
Nah, I'm pretty sure we actually tried hard, and they just got us at the intercepts and mainly at the intercepts, I think, and we just couldn't connect the passes, which is alright. I think it was fatigue more than the pass was there, but the execution maybe. Stevenson, what's your feedback on the game, bro?
I think we just need a game plan.
Yeah. Well, what's the recommendation?
Just to bring the defense out to me and then pass it to the center.
But I think they read us a little bit because they were cutting the pass off to you.
Yeah, to me.
So couldn't get it to you. But then yeah.
I'll be honest, my passing at the first and second half was off. I couldn't catch, I couldn't pass.
Is that fatigue though?
It's just, I think I was at the gym too hard because I was doing triceps. I think the strength was too hard.
So not too bad. Well, a couple of 4-pointers. Couple of 4-pointers.
I scored 2.
Yeah.
And I don't know what the defense was up to. Defense was
Any last words?
Just eat it to the last 5 minutes.
Okay, we're having a conversation.
In the last. Man, we just keep going until we make it. But so.
Alright, whakaoelahi guys.
Yeah,
Tō whilawia.
Like, subscribe.
Oh yeah.
Subscribe and
on Sunday.
Alright, whakaoelahi guys, that's the team. Like, subscribe, comment. This week we're going to start up. Oh no, next week.
This week we
I'll be in Taupo.
Oh, you're in Taupo.
So next week
running a vaccination event down at 15 Robertson Road.
Yeah.
You need your booster vaccination, come down. We've got some prizes and giveaways, but it's run by Pacific nurses, Niue nurses. That's gonna look after you if you need a COVID-19 vaccine. If not, that's your choice. That's all good. Take care. Whakawelahi.